Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, the AAG. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to prepare egg burji in an electric kettle which is hostler and bachelor friendly. Till now, I have shown you various kinds of breakfast recipes which can be prepared in electric kettle. Now I'm showing you how to prepare this easy egg burji curry in your electric kettle. To prepare this egg burji in an electric kettle, first we have to set up the electric kettle. So make sure that this knob sits exactly in the position so that electric kettle receives even heat. Now, knob has 4 variations of temperature, that is off, 70 degrees, 100 degrees and maximum. Now, before you switch on the kettle, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 medium size of onions finely chopped and 2 green chilies finely chopped into pieces. Add them into the kettle and then switch on the electric kettle. Turn the knob from off to 70 degrees. Make sure that you continuously stir at this particular place where kettle receives maximum amount of heat. Do not burn onions or else this will ruin the entire taste of the recipe. When you feel onions are sticking to the bottom of the kettle, reduce the temperature or else turn off kettle. Add salt according to the taste and increase the temperature from 0 to 100 degrees and mix well. Add salt to the onions so that onions fry a bit faster. Salt till onions become golden brown color. This will help that our food does not stick to the bottom of the kettle. If you could see, I'm stirring continuously so that onions doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. So stir continuously at this particular area where kettle is getting heated up. Now, while the kettle is getting heated up, reduce the temperature. Now, keep the temperature of the kettle by turning the knob from maximum to 70 degrees and then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. Mix well until all these spices are well combined with the onions. Electric kettle auto switch offs by itself while the kettle reaches 70 degrees. So keep an eye and check whether our kettle is in on condition or not. If the kettle is off, turn on the knob to 70 degrees and again start heating the kettle. Now beat 2 eggs and add to the kettle. Here you can increase or decrease the quantity of onions and eggs according to the quantity of people you serve this dish. Here for the mentioned measurements, 1 to 2 persons can eat this egg burji and stir continuously so that you will get burji texture to this dish. We are mixing continuously so that this egg burji mixture doesn't stick to the bottom of the kettle. Make sure that you stir continuously. Adjust the temperature by moving the knob accordingly so that your egg burji doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So the washing instructions after you dish out this egg burji is add about 1 cup of water and switch on the kettle and let the water boil in the kettle. While the water is boiling, switch off the kettle, let it sit till the water has cooled down completely. Add 1 to 2 drops of liquid detergent and wash the kettle carefully. Make sure that the water doesn't spill near the knob or near the light. This will damage the functioning of the kettle. So wash it carefully, clean it with a dry cloth and keep it aside for the next use. That's it. After 2 to 3 minutes, this egg burji is well cooked and our egg burji is ready to serve. This egg burji tastes good with piping hot rice or chapatis. I hope you like this recipe. If you do like this recipe, please like the video and share this recipe with your friends and family members who are living away from their home and missing their home food. If you're first time to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.